Ravi, would you please come for lunch? Yes, ma'am. Can I know what lunch is for today? Today I have prepared rice and dal. Mom, what is this? I have lunch. No, Ravi, you had Puri's breakfast this morning and should not eat the same kind of food throughout the day to keep us strong and healthy. Mother keeps thinking if anyone could not change him, all the nutrients at the rainbow mess discussing about after having the lunch at the rainbow mess. Wow, the food provided at the rainbow mess was so yummy and tasty. Yummy paneer, so tasty. I am protein. I am rich in dal, egg, green leaves, etc. Yes, whichever plate you see, they occupy a major portion in the diet. I am the king of all nutrients. I am only great. Oh, in what way you are great? But I am also the great. I am the cure of all nutrients as I help in growth, body building and the repair of damaging tissue. I provide lots of energy to the people to do their physical work. Yeah, do you know how do people like food containing fat? You like to eat it. No, fatty foods are not healthy. No, not at all. Do you know something? I help to keep the body warm. Yeah, guys, you know, even though I am the micronutrients, we have to keep the body healthy.
Hey, have a look at me. Don't neglect me like that. You know how important I am. I help in digestion and reducing body's temperature.
Stop it! I am only great. Yeah, I am the great. I am also great too. Hello friends, excuse me, can you allow me to speak? Who are you? Hey, I am balanced diet. Why are you all the fighting here? No, one is great. Everyone have the one important to keep the body healthy. Don't argue like this. Yes, I see that right. I am extremely sorry. Shall we all go to Ravi's house to convince him? We need support from all of us. And now at Ravi's house. Mom, I had a dream last night that the balanced diet with all nutrients came to our house. Hey guys, we are all the nutrients of balanced diet to convince you. Ravi is shocked to see then the balance with all nutrients. Thank you all for my changing my son's mind. Bye Ravi. We have a nice day. Thank you, Jolino. Thank you. So friends, now we all understood the importance of balanced diet. Thank you.